Namaste students, welcome to our social class. Before we begin our today's class, let us try to recall what we have learnt in the previous class. The previous whole block was about celebrating festivals which all of you enjoyed very well. Whether it was festival in a school or whether it was harvest festivals or seasonal festivals or religious festivals, we learnt everything, and we also will remember what are the precautions that we have to take when celebrating a festival, right? How we can save our environment, okay? So that was about the previous block, celebrating festivals. Today we are going to start another new block, that is our rich culture, okay? Our rich culture. Now, tell me students, what language do you speak at home? Yes, you. What language do you speak at home? Telugu? Tamil? Hindi? Marathi? Which language do you speak? And what language do you speak when you are in school? What language do you speak when you are in school? We all speak English when we are in school, right? Now I'll write a sentence on board. So this sentence is, what is your name? This is a question in English. In the language English, what is your name? Can you say the same thing in your language, the language that you speak at home? Me perenti, that is in Telugu. Aapka naam kya hai? That is in Hindi. In per hesar, I think it's Kannada, right? Like that. Try to write this sentence in at least, find out at least 10 languages you try and write in your notebook. Okay? Yes, today we are going to learn about the languages spoken in India. Many languages. Right? Tell me students, what language do you speak at home? What are the languages that you hear in the place where you live? Why there are so many different languages in our country? How can you understand some languages? Even if you don't know the language also, you can understand what they are saying. How is this possible? Let us check. These are the languages of India, some languages of India. So Hindi, languages of India. You can copy this picture in your classwork. Languages of India. Hindi is spoken in Uttar Pradesh, Gujarati in Gujarat, Tamil in Tamil Nadu, Punjab in Punjabi, Mizo in Mizoram, Naga in Nagaland, Telugu in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Bengali is spoken in West Bengal, Assamese, you know from Assam, Kannada in Karnataka, Oriya in Orissa, Urdu, Malayalam in Kerala, okay, Marathi in Mumbai, right? These are the languages of India. And Hindi, the language Hindi and English are spoken almost all over the country. Many people know Hindi and English. Let us now try to know why there are so many languages in our country. Why do we have so many different languages in our country? Why do we have so many different languages in our country? India is a large country with different groups of people. India is a large country with different groups of people. The languages that people speak in northern India are different from the languages which are spoken in the southern India. Okay, northern India languages are different from southern India. The languages that are spoken in the eastern India are different from the languages that are spoken in western India. Now for today's homework. Students. Today's homework is in notebook only, not in workbook. 2 homeworks in notebook only. First one, choose 3 states. Okay, any 3 states that you like. Choose 3 states. Write what languages you hear there. Any 3 states, and you should write what languages you can hear there. Okay, the name of the state. Next to the name of the state, you can write which language is spoken there. Just state name, language name. Okay, and why that language is spoken there. Okay, you should write why that language only is spoken more. Okay, so you can start with Karnataka, Kannada. Kerala, Malayalam. What is that? Bengali, West Bengal, Bengali. And you should also write why that language is only spoken. You can give your own reason or your own sentence, your own answer. Now let us go for the second homework in notebook. Answer practice question 2. What is this practice question 2? It is a question about find some states in northern India and southern India, I think. Just a minute. Find the states of northern India and eastern India. What are the states? You write down them in your notebook, and next to the states you can write the languages that are spoken in the states. That's all for today, students. Do this homework. Nothing in workbook, everything in notebook. Right? That's all for today. Thank you.
Hi viewers, I am Akram. Today I am going to share with you how to say my name is in 40 different languages. Okay, let's start. In Tamil, என் பேர் Akram. In Malayalam, என்ற பேர் Akramana. In Hindi, मेरा नाम Akram है. In Sanskrit, मेरा नाम Akram. In Bengali, আমার नाम Akram. In Gujarati, मेरा नाम Akram है. In Urdu, मेरा नाम Akram है. In Burmese, cuma nama Akram ba. In Sinhala, mage nama Akram. In Diveki, areng nama ke Akram. In Pashto, zaman namte Akram. In Chinese, Ochia Akram. In Russian, Menya Zaut Akram. In Bosnian, Zom se Akram. In Estonian, Minunimian Akram. In Romanian, Manames Akram. In Malay, Namase Akram. In Filipino, Angabalan Koa Akram. In Farsi, Asaman Akramasta. In Arabic, Ismi Akram. In Hebrew, Shmi Akram. In Turkish, Ismi Akram. In Greek, Melene Akram. In Italian, Nichiamo Akram. In Spanish, Meyamo Akram. In French, Jumapal Akram. In German, Ishaiza Akram. In English, my name is Akram. In Armenian, Anand Akram he. In Portuguese, Chamome Akram. In Norwegian, Yakhatar Akram. In Swahili, Jinalanguni Akram. In Danish, Yokhatar Akram. In Swedish, Ekhatar Akram. In Indonesian, Namase Akram. In Korean, Chairman Akram Imida. In Finnish, Nimenian Akram. In Dutch, Ihit Akram. In Latin, Nomen Mihies Akram. Thanks for watching. I hope